This is Capstone Video Journal 7. So, this week, as of right now, I have not been able to I haven't been able to get in touch with Chip. I haven't called him this week, but I haven't been able to so far, been able to get in contact with him about going up to the racing museum, the Richard Childress Racing Museum to film. Also film in the museum and also film Chocolate Myers on his radio program. But as I stated in a earlier video journal, right now we have plenty of footage to make the documentary. Granted, they haven't done a lot of work, haven't progressed a lot on the race car. I'm thinking next week, even if we can't get up to the museum, I'd like to go up to the transportation center and see how the car has progressed. Because right now we really just have the original car, with some pieces taken out, but there wasn't a whole lot of work done. So we would like to get up there. I mean, realistically, it's not going to be done by the time filming is well, I guess the car's not going to be done by the time that this project is due. Realistically, not to finish. And that's to be expected. I mean, it's a big job and it's a classic car. So, and they only work on it, I think, like 3 days a week. So that was to be expected. But other than that, haven't been able to talk to Chip again, like I said, to go up to the museum, but we are going to set something up to go up there next week and see where they're at. Other than that, putting scripts together, VO, music beds, the whole thing. So we're working, to get what we have so far film-wise put together into the documentary. But still a few more pieces we like to add. But again, if we don't, it's not too crucial. It would be great to have it in there, but it's by no means a deal breaker, I guess is what I'm trying to say. But that's where we're at right now. All right.